Off with a thrilling 88-85 victory over Nova Southeastern, claiming the first ever national championship in Maverick men's basketball history. We officially close the book on that season as we'll name the banner to commemorate that championship. Please draw your attention toward the Johnson Alumni Room end of the arena as President Dr. Edward H. unfurls our national championship banner. Congratulations once again, Mavericks. Fans, this time please turn your attention to the video award.